Hey guys, welcome to the Pi Network. This is an unofficial channel just to give you information about Pi in simple and short videos. I'll start off by saying that I love Pi. I think it's incredible. Mining cryptocurrency on your phone, that too for free, seems like something that is almost too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, you don't need to overthink, because it is real, and I want all of you to join me and the existing Pi community on this wonderful journey. Let's be real, mining crypto is hard. Investing in crypto is pretty risky, but Pi makes crypto mining easy. This video is just going to be a short introduction on what Pi is and how we join it. So, Pi is basically a new cryptocurrency for everyday people that can be mined or earned directly from your phone. It was developed by Stanford PhDs, so yeah, it's pretty reliable. However, it's still in beta right now, so all the Pis that you earn technically have no value as of now. But don't be discouraged by that. Remember, even Bitcoin had zero value when it was released 8 years ago, and now one Bitcoin is like $10,300. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Now, Pi is due to be officially released sometime around November, but there's no exact release date announced yet, and hence this will give you a great advantage because you'll be earning Pis even before the official release of the app. So yeah, it's really good. Cool. Don't miss out this opportunity and try the app if you don't like it, and that's a big if, by the way. If you don't like it, you can just delete it because you literally lost nothing and you just gained some Pis. So now, how do we join this community? Well, it's really simple. You just have to download the Pi Network app and then sign up using either your phone number or your Facebook account. Then you will get a confirmation code which you have to enter. Then you just need to give your first name, your last name, and your email address. After that, you have to give a referral code, which is basically a code that any existing Pi member can give to you. Suppose you don't have any existing Pi member that you know, you can use my code, which is PABE. After this, you get to choose your username, which is basically your code that you can give to your friends, whoever want to join Pi. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you got to know a little bit about Pi, and I'll see you in the next videos, which will be more informative than this. This is just an introduction. So, hope you have a great day. Thanks.